40 million people rely on Fitbit devices every day. But after fully testing the Fitbit Charge 6, the real question isn't what it promises, it's what it actually delivers once the honeymoon period ends. On paper, the hardware feels premium and lightweight at just 30 grams. Featuring an AMOLED display, ECG support, blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, and seamless payments through Google Wallet, which makes it look like a compact health powerhouse. However, extended usage reveals trade-offs that aren't obvious at checkout. During workouts, GPS performance can become inconsistent, with reports of the tracker struggling to maintain accurate heart rate monitoring and distance tracking simultaneously. And in some sessions, the signal drops after several minutes and switches to estimated distance. The 26mm display is bright and sharp, but it only shows one workout metric at a time, forcing constant scrolling mid-exercise, which interrupts rhythm and focus. Battery performance also appears uneven, especially when GPS and continuous monitoring are active, and the lack of a true power-off option means background drain can continue when the device is not in use. The biggest friction point, however, emerges after the 6-month trial ends. Key insights such as daily readiness score and advanced sleep analytics move behind a $10 per month premium subscription, transforming a $160 tracker into an ongoing expense. Compared with competitors offering deeper metrics without paywalls, the value proposition becomes less clear. The Charge 6 ultimately delivers solid core tracking and a polished design, but the experience feels shaped as much by software restrictions and subscription gating as by its capable hardware, leaving the final verdict dependent on how much long-term access and convenience truly matter to you.